Deputy Commissioner ka Southwest Khasi Hills District ryngkat ka jingïatreilang bat ka District Disaster Management Authority DDMA lembat ka 1st Battalion jong ka National Disaster Response Force NDRF na Guwahati mynta ka sngi ka arpo tarik na wing arjar arpusaw kila Pynlong ya ka Mawkyrwat halor ka jingkhynñiuh Jumai kum shibynta jong ka National Disaster Management Authorities NDMA level earthquake mock exercise ha ophis Deputy Commissioner ha Mawkyrwat Southwest Khasi Hills District. Hakini ka mock exercise la pyntreikam ya ka kynhun ïalah pyrshah ya ka jingjia ne ka Incident Response Team IRT daw Incident Command IC ïalam do ba LT Tariang MCS Additional Deputy Commissioner ka Southwest Khasi Hills District but CEO jong ka District Disaster Management Authority DDMA. Ka jingpynkhreh baro kilay buat rinti ya ka jingbata jong Incident Command ha ka bala pyntreikam ru ya baro kibenta jong ka Incident Command ki bagentup ya ka 1st Battalion NDRF balalam khamat do Lal Ringsan INSP Cooperation Section Chief OSC ka Logistics Section Chief LSC ka Planning Section Chief PSC ka Staging Area SA, ka Medical Aid Post MEP, ka Offsite Control Room COR, bat ka Relief Camp Manager RCM. Yakini ka mock exercise la pelong kerpang ha office jong Deputy Commissioner Southwest Khasi Hills District ha ka ba kidon khat arngut ki briu ki balaminsaw kentup ya arngut ki kenthai bat iwei khulung kani ka drill ka kentup ya ka jingpynkhreh ka jingwat bat pelaim ka jingai jing sumar ningkong bat ka jingkit ki briu ki balaminsaw lingba ki ambulance sha medical camp bat Mawkyrwat Civil Hospital. Hakini ka mock exercise la yu ka jingi shibynta ka barat ba na githan ki lan baper kentup ya ki officer bagi nong tri jong ka district ki pulit ki nong ya dapat ba bagi nong ap paharaying ki nong pelip ding bat ki kam bekerki ka tanat ka kwat ka kya bat ka kynhun NDRF na Guwahati. Hadin kini ka mock exercise la pelong ya jingïatreilang pensyai ha kamra jong ka Additional Deputy Commissioner Room ka badon hadisi office Mawkyrwat balalam khmat do ba LT Tariang MCS ryngkat Dr. ES Langsiang District Disaster Management Officer ka Southwest Khasi Hills District.
Kami kita hadis slow price pak. Kagak bagi laban yang kita nuna dekat saya jong victim laban yang sebut. Ka ba ketika longga pergi bed. Ba ketika pergi bed, mulai ketika handle carry ka bagi kita kita lo. Ka pasau ketika stretcher mah mai ya tadi stretcher.
The fire service, please report to me. Today we started at around 11, and then we compared the data of all the sections. The data the data is after comparison. There's no discrepancy in the data. We've seen that we've compared between the relief and the health, and then other sections also. The total number of casualties comes to 12, and where one child and 2 women were rescued, and the rest which is 10 number of males. And display by the NDRF, I think very a very impressive work by the NDRF, and then not only it's about display, it's about also teaching us that we should take things seriously. And we do not hope for a disaster, but we hope that we are prepared and we are ready in case of any in the near future or in the future. So with these words, I would like to thank each and every team for this exercise, and it was a successful exercise in the district, and even though not big as last time when we had the mock exercise, but this time I think it was conducted successfully under the leadership of the Deputy Commissioner, and also under the guidance of the DMO and the Superintendent of Police. So with these words, I would like to thank each and every one of you. I would like to close this exercise by saying thank you and God bless.
Menang ina yo ban le gini exercise na po DDMA na po kabadi pa disaster hang po district kaban pin is di pa ba na banta hang po South West Khasi Hills kumno bangin response la ni kumno bangin le por ada wan Jumai ne wan kan no disaster kalam ne ko Tariang lam ne jing flu flood but kumno ban jingjia ye ki brio ki ba mo ki ba don ha jing batong kami jing suma kaba apa kadang kumno ba ken first response kata kaba lada kynhun Jumai kumno benda kumno ba mende ba naman kawi jadi ke jing team sama begini le kat bala ban panic bat ngini rap iwe de kaba pen ke steps begini le kita bangun shong ban bat ikan unu ka mo ki tiar kita ki badan hajan ki ba dan ki mi ki jing thia la ni Shuki ba la ban yada ini ba yo katawa hari tu first minute sebab kyo tu Jumat ba apa kalau hadin gitu di ba di benda channel bikin inform te kawai ke kongsa ne mene ke exercise ni ba tuan pen isi pa ba ke ba ni le kadi ben kalau ke practice tentang ini ki teams ki jongi ni dan ki bonjat ki team support ka jingpet incident commander but hapo ka jingpet deputy commissioner but responsible officer ba kini ki teams ki nong ready ki team ki beri pet ki kali ki beri teams ki beri pet ki JCB ban clear ki surok ki teams ki badan beri pet ki medical beri rescue pat ka ladon ki beri pet la ka beri ka fire mana kadang di tawa makala bandan ka ciplu ka cingha ki wire ka tim ka bari pet ka menta ki patba ki ba la para ka yin ka sen ki bamdan cha shu ka jakasa mulani ka tadi on ka relief camp te sakawe ka dan ka wi tim ba kham ka badong kam ka tar ka bari ba bat ki statistics no ban pet ya ki data bangin dong kam ban yo information no ka information ka di ka badong kam te information ka bangin tip ka no ki ba mensaw ka no kita ada relief camp kan kita ada hospital dan bangin tip ru nanti tang manong information ke bangi rio jite banyak information ko dong kalong ba ninyo banyak keren la ninyo banyak tip sepang ki jingjia shibynta di jaka kita di Shillong di Abot di runners kita di Shillong di Abot di VHF set ni naik keren di polis lada kadang emergency apa kita tahu kan pyrshah show ini ono lada ke Nimyo network nimyo ayu nantaka power mene kita nang napo mi PDCL ni to dang PDCL but fetco nabakin nong ready bala da kadon ka jing do ïalah ne amno ban rescue no we sorry ban yo bat yo kloy no kan me no kan ka light kanang ba kan nong jimentol khatam portlang magade ba khriat kini ki ba ni do kambat ka kaweru kolomba kibri kini award jing suma but objective ki kolomba ni kai ni teams bar khoi na kadam ng PHE ru ban pe nang ta sekui we da bar khoi kini teams ba ka target kalong ban dan bayap ta de target but ban penduna ki jing sa jadi kat bala ni mong ba ni kermen number 1 with disaster ni kerban bahkan nomdon ni kata disaster ni doi boleh bahkan nomdon kata disaster henry ni kerban pat ba lada kaja mun keluar ban response. Kumbalong por COVID lu kalau very good response. Hani district even at the state level lu ini kermen bahkan nang bahasyo ta response. So ni ban ngana ai ti hapar ka heads of districts ba tim submit ni within 1 month ya ka ban update ya lala ke jong plans. Ba kidi ban tip lu ka plan ni tamo chong ba inchu don ka plan hari kim tip kan ke ba kani ka plan ka di ban nya ha pat kani ka district. Mudi ba ka chulong in general. Jadi ta na